this is the importance of having food available to the babies at a very early age. They just had their morning hand feeding. They have a little dish of, actually it's little bits of cereal like Cheerios, anything without sugar basically. And there are also some Supreme pellets. And the kids will start to pick at stuff this early. They're like 6 weeks old. Just barely over 6 weeks old. If you start them out really young with stuff like that they can pick at, it gets, when they're weaned, they will end up trying anything you put in front of them. It's a wonderful thing. You're cute right now. You're getting very big. As soon as they get a pretty much full set of feathers in, they'll be going into a cage. Aww. Cute babies. That's Cooper on the left and Hondo on the right. Cooper is the older baby. This morning they weighed almost 300 grams, both of them.